Mabton. We just want to give a shout out to Nevin and the guys at Toppenish Depot. Thanks for watching our videos, and we hope the Christmas train goes well.
And anyways, you guys might have to stay on the video because there's a train on its way.
Where are we at, Emmett?
Milepost 5-2.
Where's that? No, it's right there. What town are we in?
Mabton.
Mabton, yep. We chased this train. We knew it was coming.
Yeah, but...
Waited a long time for it. Chased it, caught it. Here we are.
And do you guys see the light?
The light's down there. Emmett wanted me to start filming a little early. So here we are. Everybody go down to the Toppenish Railway Museum for their Christmas train. Starts November 29th, 2025.
And the Christmas train starts tomorrow.
Yes. Here it comes.
There we go. Guys, look.
The darkness.
Papa,
Yeah.
do you think the cat moved?
Yes. I looked over before the train got here and the cat was gone. Okay. Can't really see you. There we go.
Well, we catched it to tournament, so we went through a lot of crossings. So, what was the Martinis called again? Not Jones.
Parker?
It's Martinis, not Jones, but it's Martinis.
I don't know, man.
Well, we were at Toppenish Depot, then we went all the way to McDonald.
Oh, and McKinley?
In McKinley, then to Parkle, to Wapato, then you get that, but it was before we went to the crossings, we saw the train on the railroad tracks.
Yep. And there it goes. On to Prosser, then Pasco. All right, let's say bye, dude.
No,
It's
it's
cold.
Prosser, then Richard, then Pasco.
Yeah, let's go.
Like and subscribe, bye.